Hello viewers, welcome to all. Today we are learn about scope of auditing. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has issued statements on standard auditing practices. The SAP2 issued by the ICAI describes the scope of audit. This is applicable to all independent audit concerning the balance sheet, profit and loss account and other statement and explanatory notes which form part of the financial statement, which are issued by the stakeholders, employees, creditors and public, etc. The requirements of the relevant statutes, the pronouncements made and guidelines issued by the ICAI, Indian Chartered Academy of India, and the letter of engagement addressed to the auditor will prescribe the scope of audit. However, the requirements of the statutes cannot be restricted by the letter of engagement. The audit should cover all material aspects relevant to the financial statements. The auditor should be convinced that records and documents which form the basis for preparing the financial statements are reliable and sufficient. The auditor should also be satisfied that all information required to be disclosed under law is properly disclosed. They assess the reliability and sufficiency of the accounting records and other documents. The auditor should first study and evaluate the accounting system and the internal control. Next, carry out relevant test inquiries and verification procedures and financial and other transaction which he considers appropriate. The auditor have to rely on his knowledge and experience to decide whether a particular item is material or not. If an item in the financial statement has influence to user while taking a decision, it is called material. An auditor is not expected to perform duties which may be beyond his scope of competence. If an auditor experiences any constraint on the scope of audit, he is to make a statement of the same in his report. These are the scope of auditing. This basket is really helpful to learn scope of auditing. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you.